TDC is the largest telco in Denmark, delivering a series of products like mobile, telephony and TV. And we are using PPM for demand management, product management and time management. We are aiming for resource management as well very soon. And we're using ART, the HP Adoption Readiness Tool, alongside our implementation of Product and Portfolio Management Center and SM. Starting the use of PPM wasn't that hard. Due to PPM being so intuitive, we didn't struggle teaching people how to use it. PPM, we have 150 product managers doing approximately 300 projects, 1,500 smaller tasks, demand management, and we just did an implementation of time management. We started out with 500 users. A few months later went to 1,000, and now 6 months after the implementation we are reaching 1,500 users. But of course, implementing time management to a huge number of users would require some education. Even though we have 1,500 users for time management, we don't have a support team. Of course, you would get some questions in email or phone calls. ART is my shield against tons of users. It's quite easy and quite fast way of creating guides. It's still there after you've seen it. You can always go back, have a look at it. You don't get all the questions afterwards. One of the biggest upsides in using ART is the option of customizing for our own needs, for TDC needs, implementing our own logos and ways of doing things. The show me and try me features are just two ways of learning styles. PPM enables us to focus on running projects instead of gathering data for KPIs. We've reached all the project management, so everyone is doing it the same way. There's high value in that. TDC chose to go with ART not only because of the opportunity of creating guides to PPM and the time management implementation in PPM, but also the fact that we could use ART for everything else as well. We have a series of financial applications which are quite hard to get into as a project manager, but ART delivers there as well. It's not application, it's adoption. We have ART and it just works.